So our 2-bedroom condominium floor plan has come along quite nicely, and we're almost done, but we have some small finishing touches to complete. I'm in a file here called wall joins, and if you recall when we were laying out the interior partitions, we ended up with some undesirable conditions over here and over here. I'm going to use my zoom in region and zoom in on this location, and you may recall that we had these really sharp corners here where the walls come together. In addition to that, if I zoom in even closer over in this location, you'll see that I've got this masonry wall here and here with the cross-hatching inside, and it's joining one way over here with the neighboring wall and a different way over here. Now, when I look at this, I would really rather have the masonry pass all the way through here and have it interrupt this wall here. So I want this wall to pass through this wall. Now, we can actually control that with a command called Edit Wall Joins. So if you go to your Modify tab, and on the Geometry panel, you'll find the Wall Joins tool right here. So I'm going to click that. Now, the way this works is you move your mouse around on screen, and it will highlight with a square any intersection that you have on the screen there. So what I'm going to do is click right on this intersection to make that the focus of this tool. That will activate the configuration options here on the options bar. The way this works is you can choose from a butt or a miter condition, and you have several different conditions that you can toggle through. So the default behavior is a butt condition. A miter would look like that. Probably not what I want in this case, so let's stick with the butt condition. And each time I click next or previous, it will toggle through the available options. So all I need to do to get the condition I'm after is click next until it displays the way that I like, and then if I'm satisfied with that, I can click the Modify tool to cancel out of the command, and that completes the operation. So it's a pretty simple and straightforward approach. Let's zoom over here and take a look at these two conditions. Here's my Edit Wall Joins. I'm going to click on this intersection here. Now again, with a butt condition, it would just be between this and this, which frankly we wouldn't notice any difference. But what I have here now is a third option because of the acute angle here. So I'm going to choose the Square Off option, and that's exactly what it will do, is it will make a nice squared off condition there. Let me click on this condition here, do Square Off. It'll square it off this way, or if I like, I can click Next, and it will square it off that way. So you choose whichever one that you want. I'm going to go with that one. And then when I'm satisfied, I click the Modify tool, and that completes the wall join edits. So editing wall joins is a pretty simple process to undertake. You just simply click the wall join tool, you apply the focus to the intersection that you want to clean up, and then you use the next and previous options and the other options in the options bar to decide what condition you're after.